Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin, preventing potential burns. Gather all necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Finally, verify you have the correct spark plugs and confirm their gap setting for optimal engine performance. Now, let's remove the old spark plugs. Begin by locating the ignition coils, which are usually positioned directly over the spark plugs on the engine. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing its release tab. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the hold-down bolts securing each coil. With the bolts out, carefully pull each ignition coil straight up to remove it. Installing new spark plugs requires precision. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. Carefully hand-thread each plug into its cylinder head to prevent cross-threading, which can cause significant damage. Once hand-tight, use a torque wrench to tighten each spark plug to the manufacturer's specified setting, typically around 13 to 15 foot-pounds. Double-check the gap before installing. With the new spark plugs in, it's time for reassembly. Carefully place each ignition coil back over its respective spark plug, ensuring it seats properly. Reinstall and tighten the coil hold-down bolts. Next, reconnect all electrical connectors to the ignition coils, making sure they click into place. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and start your engine to confirm everything is running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.